Welcome to my Word AI. Okay, let me use just 5 minutes to show you how you can draft your research objectives and questions. Yes, you heard me, 5 minutes. Let's go. Now, open your system, open your browser, type Chatgpt. You allow it to open. Now you go to the complete research writer prompt. Right click, opening a new tab. Okay. Perfect. Then here you click on start writing my research now. You bring in your research topic because that is what you have to provide. So I'll paste mine here. Good. So we're writing chapter 1.3, so I'm going to prompt 1.3. Woo. My objectives of the study are ready. So all I have to do is to copy and go to my Microsoft Word and paste. Then do editing if necessary. Okay. Then I'll go back to my browser. Prompt it next to write the research questions. Excellent. The research questions too are ready. So I'll still do the same thing by copying them and go to my Microsoft Word and paste. You can as well copy from here. Do few editing. Just erase the things I don't want. Wow, that's good. See, just 3 minutes, 3.14 minutes, I'm done with objective of the study and research questions. Do you know you can actually do more than I do? If you can click on the link below and get your complete research writer prompt, you can do more than I. And also, please don't go. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Share this video to your friends so that you can also be a solution to your friend's problem. Thank you. I still remain Rich Adept, working with my Word AI.